Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best drop cloths for painting. The Axgatoxe 12 by 9 foot plastic drop cloths, available in a convenient 6-pack. Whether you're a professional painter or a DIY enthusiast, protecting your floors, furniture, and belongings during any painting or renovation project is crucial. This product offers an ideal solution with its combination of size, durability, and versatility. Right out of the box, you'll notice that each drop cloth measures a generous 12 feet by 9 feet, giving you 108 square feet of coverage per sheet. That's enough to cover large furniture pieces, couches, floors, and even outdoor items. With 6 sheets in the pack, you're getting a total coverage of 648 square feet, making it perfect for medium-sized projects or multiple uses around the house. The material is made of polyethylene plastic, which is both waterproof and tear-resistant enough for typical painting tasks. At 0.5 mm thickness, it strikes a good balance between durability and flexibility. These sheets are designed to unfold and spread out quickly, which saves you time during setup and cleanup. Lightweight and disposable, they are easy to handle and eliminate the hassle of washing and storing heavy cloth drop cloths. But these drop cloths are more than just painting aids. Their versatility extends to protecting carpets, ceilings, wardrobes, and even vehicles from dust, dirt, and weather. If you need a quick and reliable cover for any surface that requires protection, these plastic sheets fit the bill. Plus, they're made from recycled plastic, which adds an eco-friendly aspect to their convenience. Using these drop cloths allows you to paint fearlessly without worrying about accidental spills or splatters. They provide sturdy protection, keeping your work area clean and your belongings safe during renovations or home improvements. Their transparent nature lets you see what's underneath, which can be handy when covering furniture or floors without losing track of things. In summary, the Axgatoxe 12 by 9 foot plastic drop cloths in the 6-pack offer excellent coverage, are easy to use, and provide reliable waterproof protection. Their lightweight, disposable design ensures convenience without sacrificing durability. Whether you're painting walls, protecting furniture, or covering outdoor items, these drop cloths make the process cleaner and easier. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and detailed product insights. Thanks for watching.